in my little Yoda, my little Toyota truck, because it's the master of off-roading. Yes, sir. Anyway, I'm back out here at the South Slough Estuary. Just gonna go out here and experience all the little roads and drive around and spend the Sunday enjoying the storm that's about to hit, and just come out here and enjoy the wilderness, you know.
It don't matter where you come from, where you pay rent, as long as you represent it. How to work with no gloves so your hands get tough until it's quitting time, don't ease up. It don't matter where you come from, where you pay rent, as long as you represent it. All them county roads we rode, we've come so far, but we still got so far to go. What you know about them tree-colored clothes? Chillin' up in the blind, getting loaded with your bros. What you know about that zip code, throwing all day? I ain't caught a thing, still got a smile on my face. What you know about them back roads that go across county lines? And if they pay, they ain't got no stripes or speed limit signs. And did you know that everywhere I go, I keep it hometown, it's embedded in my soul. Oh, and do you know what it's like to work until your hands bleed and spend every last penny for what the family needs? And if you don't, you need to tighten up. It takes more to being a man than having a beard or a truck. That's what's up. And do you know where you come from, where you pay rent, as long as you represent it? How to work with no gloves so your hands get tough until it's quitting time, don't ease up.
Well, I ran out of roads to explore over by the estuary, so now I'm cruising up old Coos Head Road. I'm gonna go play around on the beach a little bit, maybe. But first, I'm gonna check out the overlook and see what the storm looks like from above. Well, we actually got pretty calm seas for a storm coming in. No real wind. Look how flat the bay entrance or the harbor entrance is. My last video, I was right over there. Had the Yoda parked on the other side of that jetty. Got some film of me parking over there and looking down the road for that little bay area. That's where I want to camp next time. It's basically right there. And it's right across from the Coast Guard entrance here to the bay. Just nice and calm out here today. Some pretty good waves coming in though. The tide is on its way in. You gotta love these old trucks, you know. You gotta get out and lock the hubs. Lucky on this truck though, I got Warren hubs. I'm not sure if that's factory for a 89 SR5, but I tell you what, it works really good. You know, I've had a few F-150s that were four-wheel drives. I had an F-250 that was a four-wheel drive. I've owned a Ford Bronco, an 82 Ford Bronco. That was four-wheel drive. And driven many four-wheel drive platforms through work. But I will say this thing, I even had a Toyota RAV4. That was four-wheel drive. This thing is so light and so nimble that, man, I can't believe how well it does off-road. It really ranks right there with my Bronco as far as places to go. And I don't even have off-road tires on this thing yet. So I can't wait until I get some good meats on it.
I'm not trying to complain, I'm so thankful for what I got. I work my fingers to the bone, but these bills, they never stop. No matter how much overtime I get, it ain't quite enough. The mortgage gets late, something breaks, and that's when the times get tough. And bad things come in threes, but I wish that wasn't true. Cause I don't think I can take another after this one and two. There's still a roof over our head and plenty of food to eat. Clean clothes for both of the kids, socks and shoes on their feet. And they got no idea, I'll never let them see me sweat. I'll do what I got to do to make it right with no regrets. And if my stress gets too high, then I'll take a step outside. Embrace the sounds that nature makes my backyard lullaby.
Listen to the crickets sing, the rattle of the dog chain. Listen to the southbound breeze just creeping through the trees and the creak of the weather vane. answers tonight. Turn my troubles down low, Lord, soothe my soul. One more time with a backyard lullaby.
Like every other working man, I go through trying times when responsibilities weigh heavy on my mind. And I just need to get away and take a walk outside. I don't need no flashlight, I got stars and moonshine. Then the breeze starts whistling, the whippoorwill starts singing. I love listening to forget the way that I'm feeling. The sounds I hear at night, I don't notice in the day. All the dogs barking loud like they got something to say. Engines in the diesel trucks roar down the highway. I feel bass beating and speakers a mile away. If my tension starts to rise, I gotta be outside. That's the only place I can hear my backyard lullaby.
Listen to the crickets sing, the rattle of the dog chain. Listen to the southbound breeze just creeping through the trees and the creak of the weather vane. Sitting in my lawn chair, sending up a little prayer. I need some answers tonight. Turn my troubles down low, Lord, soothe my soul. One more time with a backyard lullaby. Listen to the crickets sing, the rattle of the dog chain. Listen to the southbound breeze just creeping through the trees and the creak of the weather vane. Sitting in my lawn chair, sending up a little prayer. I need some answers tonight. Turn my troubles down low, Lord, soothe my soul. One more time with a backyard lullaby.
When you come out my way, that's why my field stays packed on Fridays. We hunting, fishing, good living, just soaking up every country second we're giving. Yeah, we a long way away from the highway, so go ahead, y'all, you can get sideways. Smoking, sipping, dip spitting, just soaking up every country second you're giving.
So once you cash your paycheck and count it, what you gonna do now? Well, in my county, we hold it down and everybody's allowed. We all know, all of y'all, it ain't no thing to draw a crowd. You just follow the sound away from town to the music playing loud. Leave your stress and politics at home where they belong, and we'll build a memory of a lifetime. It's the kind you hear in a song. We only get this life to live. Come on and live it before it's gone. Every second we're given, that's a gift and it won't last long. So let's spend it like it's the last, doing whatever we like, surrounded by friends and family, telling jokes, laughing all night, sipping on whatever you brought to drink, dancing till the morning light. Country fried, died, late sideways, come on, let's ride.
No rules when you come out my way, that's why my field stays packed on Fridays. We hunting, fishing, good living, just soaking up every country second we're giving. Yeah, we a long way away from the highway, so go ahead, y'all, you can get sideways. Smoking, sipping, dip spitting, just soaking up every country second you're giving.
So let that music take you up and away, enjoy the view. Keep that playlist up pumping and the girls will do what they do. Keep your cash in your pocket, cause we don't care what you got here and now, that's the money. Hey man, and that's a lot, spending time off your clock, vibing until it shocks. The energy here's electric, we dancing on every toolbox. Lose the socks, it's a party, we turned off in the field. And if I said that I was, then you best believe that I will make you feel good for real.
Sunset Beach. we are, just driving on a road, just driving. Yep. It's another Sunday out here at Coos Bay, Oregon. Just cruising around the coast, having a good time in my little Yoda. Yep, nothing else better to do today but just cruise around and enjoy the storm and see what Mother Nature brings us for this next week. My knee is really aching, so I'm going to get some lightning thunder. Anyway, that's life here on the Oregon coast. God bless you all. Take care of yourselves. Don't stop taking care of yourself.